Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Core. In our previous videos, we already talked about what an angle is. Now in today's video, we will discuss types of angles, which are acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Let's understand them one by one. Acute angle. An angle which is greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. In simple words, it is a small angle. In the following diagram, the angle 45 degrees is an acute angle because it is less than 90 degrees. Other angles like 30 degrees and 60 degrees are all acute angles. Look at these real-life examples. A slightly open pair of scissors forms an acute angle. Similarly, the hands of a clock at 1 o'clock also form an acute angle because the angle between the hands is less than 90 degrees. Next, we have the right angle. An angle which is equal to 90 degrees is called right angle. It forms a perfect L shape. In the following diagram, the angle 90 degrees shows the right angle. Let's see some real-life examples. The corner of a book and the corner of a table both form right angles. This is because the two sides meet at exactly 90 degrees. Next one is an obtuse angle. An angle which is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. That means it is wider than a right angle. In the following diagram, the angle 120 degrees is an obtuse angle. Talking about real-life examples. An open laptop, which is little wider, forms an obtuse angle. Also, the hands of a clock at 4 o'clock creates an obtuse angle because the angle is more than 90 degrees. Now we have a straight angle. An angle which is equal to 180 degrees is called straight angle. It forms a straight line. In the following diagram, the angle 180 degrees shows the right angle. Real-life examples includes a straight road that forms a straight line. Similarly, an open book laid flat on a table also forms a straight angle. Next is the reflex angle. An angle which is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees is called reflex angle. This angle is larger than a straight angle. In the following diagram, the angle 270 degrees shows the reflex angle. If we see some real-life examples, the outside corner of a building is turned more than half. It forms a reflex angle. Also, the hands of a clock at 8 o'clock creates a reflex angle. Last one is the complete angle. An angle which is equal to 360 degrees is called complete angle. This means one full rotation or one complete turn. In the following diagram, the angle 360 degrees shows a full rotation, which is called a complete angle. In real life, you see, when a fan completes one full turn, it forms a complete angle. Similarly, when a wheel makes one complete rotation, it also forms a complete angle. Now, let's quickly revise all the types of angles which we discussed here. An acute angle lies between 0 degree and 90 degrees. A right angle is always equal to 90 degrees. An obtuse angle lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. A straight angle is always equal to 180 degrees. A reflex angle lies between 180 degree and 360 degrees. And a complete angle measures exactly 360 degrees. So that's all for today's video. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting math content.